So I just came down that path there, and we are just now at the point where we move out of the valley. We come out of the valley between the hills, and we step out at this point really onto here, which is a relatively flat land, and this is our floodplain. And you can see that the stream, right, the stream has changed character completely. It's not making any noise at all now, right? It's we've moved into flat ground, and it's still water. That means that the water will be, instead of eroding as it is further up on the slopes, it's actually depositing. So the material, the little particles that it erodes further up on the hill, you can see at the back there that that part of the stream is almost silted up with the material that's come off the hill. Now this is a totally natural process, and the floodplain is a completely natural, state of affairs. But if you just compare this ground to what we saw on top of the hill, right? And this is completely waterlogged here, right? And we've got a whole bunch of ginger, and then the water buffaloes are not here at the moment, but you can see the wallow that the water buffaloes have made, and so they're creating a really very, very varied habitat for all kinds of frogs and insects and all kinds of things. So the stream also, of course, is not just coming whizzing straight down the bottom of the valley. It's meandering around. So let's just have a quick look up here. This is pretty well the point where the stream stops rushing down the hillside and becomes something that is very still, and therefore depositing material here. Now, of course, in a storm, in a typhoon, in a massive rainstorm, I mean, it's just absolutely full of water. It's at the moment it's a relatively small flow, but that can change quite dramatically. Anyway, so now we'll walk down a little bit further through the floodplain and then out to the sea.